Federation wakawuliddeko akayimbi ke balimu.
Yeah, nabiwuliddeko, but I don't have like concrete info because I haven't like talked to any artists ali part of that entire organization, but I've heard it, I've seen it, and it's a good thing. I'm really proud of our artists in the industry coming up together and organizing ourselves for a good cause for this one time. So I'm just looking forward to it, and how they're going to impact the industry as artists. So yeah, it's a good thing, and I'm very happy. I never knew about it, to be honest. But since Banenya, at that moment. But it's a good thing, and of course I'm going to be in touch with Kachikako, so that Tubegatako as Swans Avenue, as my artist, as my fellow artist, Ngabachilimu Swans Avenue. Chino Chirunji nyo. Neda siri lubuto. Yeah. Simai, I don't know.
What did you say? You said no free.
Neda city, I'm still working. So chan sinaba. Not now. Of course, I would want to have my own kids later on, but not now. Yeah, not now. I don't want to say that because honestly, it is none of anybody's business. But of course, you guys have a way of knowing things. So